Here's a stat that should sting a little. Most leads never get followed up with more than once or twice, and most sales happen after the 5th contact. So businesses are doing all this work to get leads and then losing them in the gap. Not because the leads said no, but because nobody kept the conversation going. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a GoHighLevel AI chatbot that handles the follow-up for you, sounds genuinely human while it does it, and brings quiet leads back to life. So let's get into it. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and on this channel, we keep GoHighLevel simple and actually useful. This one is a hands-on tutorial, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to build a follow-up bot that texts your leads like a real person and nudges them to book. Let's get into it. First, let me explain what we're actually building because follow-up is a little different than a normal chat bot. A lot of bots just sit and wait for someone to message first. A follow-up bot reaches out. When a lead comes in and goes quiet, your bot picks the conversation back up, checks in like a helpful person would, answers whatever was holding them back, and guides them to book. The goal isn't to sound like a robot reminding you about a cart. The goal is to sound like a friendly team member who genuinely follows up, which is exactly what most businesses are too busy to do. Okay, if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, if you use our link down below, you can get access to a 30-day extended free trial. Okay, once you click that link, you're going to click Start Extended Free Trial. You'll go ahead and enter in your name, company name, email address, and phone number. Step number 2, you do need to put your credit card in, but if you're still deciding, just go ahead and set a reminder on day 28 or 29. Okay, once you are in, we're going to go ahead and navigate to AI agents, conversation AI. Okay, this is we're going to build the conversation AI, but before that, you need to have a knowledge base to actually train the bot. Okay, so you can just click create new, create knowledge base. You'll enter in med spa, and then you can go ahead and enter in a description. Okay. Click add. Now here you can see we've got our knowledge base. The first thing you want to do is the web crawler. So you just want to add in their website, the exact URL, whatever it may be, and then click train this page. That way the AI can scan the whole website and then start training the AI based on that information. Next is the frequently asked questions. If you have questions that you want your AI to reply to specifically, this is what you're going to want to do because of course it can look at all of the data, but if there's a way you want specific questions to be answered, you're going to want to go ahead and add them. So it's really easy. Type your question here, your answer goes here, click save. Okay, example of one is, do you need anything to prepare before a hydrofacial? We just ask that you avoid retinol and exfoliating products. Okay, exactly. So this is a really good example of you'd want something to be super specific because there's a super specific answer to this question. Okay, then you can add in tables, whether that's pricing sheets, whatever it may be. The more data, the better. Any rich text. Okay, so again, give your agent detailed instructions or context, and files. You can upload any files, any menus, whatever it may be. Again, the more information, the better. And if you want it to not sound AI, you have to give it more context, okay? Because if anyone's complaining about the AI sounding AI, it probably hasn't built out a really robust knowledge base for it to actually have the information it needs to give a really good answer, okay? So upload and import as much data as you possibly can about the business, okay? Then we'll go to conversation AI. Okay, you can go ahead and create bot. So there's prompt based and then there's flow based. Okay, this is a little bit more of a basic version. This is for advanced users. Okay, so we'll go ahead and create bot. We'll go here to the more advanced one. Okay, Amanda Med Spa. You can turn off conversations AI, but honestly, the idea is to be on autopilot. So you're going to want to turn that on. Then you can see these supported communication channels. So SMS, Instagram, Facebook. Take out the ones that you don't think are going to apply. Okay. Then you'll enter in advanced settings. So I'm just going to say Med Spa. If there's the default is the location. Okay. There's autopilot mode. So wait time before actually responding. All of these modes, you're going to want to test them out, right? You could put 2 seconds, and if the wait time feels too long, you can come in here and adjust that. Okay, send a bot to sleep when I send a manual message. So if for some reason you manually interfere and you want to handle the conversation yourself, this would be a good thing to turn on. So send bot to sleep when I send a manual message, and then you can reactivate the bot after 2 hours. Okay, or if there's a workflow message. Okay, cool. We'll save that. Now we'll go to bot training. This is why we did the knowledge base first, so we can just go ahead and add that in. Amazing. Then we'll go ahead and go to bot goals. Okay, so then we're going to go to big goals. As you can see, we've got the specific AI that you would like to use. Okay, you've got personality, so you can update this. Goal is to get the customer to book an appointment. Of course, you can change this. Okay, so set up your actions, appointment booking, and auto follow-up is the key. Okay, so if the contact stopped responding, enable scenario. Okay, you can follow-up sequence, configure up to 5 follow-ups. So maybe 15 minutes. Maybe we want to do another one at 30. Okay, maybe if the contact is busy, we want to enable scenario, follow up within 2 hours. Okay, if the contact requested, okay, we can enable this scenario as well. Again, you can go ahead and configure up to 5 follow-ups. Maybe we want another one. Okay, that is the key here for the follow-ups that you want to make sure that you are saving. Okay, so now we've got the appointment booking and the auto follow-up. Okay, now we've got our bot completely set up. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and navigate to sites. Since we've got our bot completely set up, you're going to want to add a chat widget. So you can click new. It can be an all-in-one chat, so it'll combine WhatsApp, live chat, email, SMS, etc. Okay, this is what it looks like down here. You can customize it completely and with whatever you would like. So welcome blank, how can I help you today? Widget customization, if you want an avatar, you can totally replace this. Okay, you can put this wherever you think would work best. Chat window, so you can customize this again. Live chat assigned. There's messaging. Okay, so your chat has ended. Feedback, you can go ahead and customize the color. Acknowledgement, and then you'll of course want to select the agent. You can embed it really easily onto your GoHighLevel site, but if you use a different site, you can go ahead and get the code and embed it directly right there. Once everything is set, test it like a real lead before you actually go live. Message it the way a hesitant customer would. Be vague, ask tricky questions, try to put it off and see how it handles you. Then go fix anything that felt off by updating your training. Spend 20 minutes role-playing as your own worst lead and your bot will come out far sharper on the other side. Okay, now in terms of GoHighLevel pricing, I just wanted to show you the different plans and pricing options. So, okay, after the extended 30-day free trial, they have a couple different options. You can pay monthly or annually. You are going to save a bit with annual. They've got their starter plan, which is $97 per month. You get all their core features, unlimited contacts and users, and then 3 sub-accounts. Their unlimited plan is $297 per month. You get everything in the starter, but you get unlimited sub-accounts and then basic API access. Then their agency pro plan is $497 per month. Everything in the unlimited plan, but you get automated sub-account creation, SaaS mode, advanced API access, and more. So just depending on where you're at in business, it depends on the plan that you actually need. So let's put this all together. You built a conversation AI bot, trained it on the website, your documents, and your own question and answers pair so it actually sounds human. You gave it a personality, you connected it to SMS, and set it to re-engage quiet leads with friendly check-ins that lead to a booking. You have it in autopilot mode, and you also turned on the setting. If a human takes over, it pauses after a while. That's a follow-up system that works your leads around the clock and brings the quiet ones back. Again, if you want to build this yourself and get an extended 30-day free trial, that link is down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more GoHighLevel walkthroughs that keep it super simple. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.